It's a very simple two-step process. First, key off the truck and we connect the V2V CCS cable to the truck, and whichever vehicle we wanted to charge, we connect the CCS plug to the car. That should initiate the charge session. The truck's closing the contactors, engaging the high voltage to come on, and it closed the lock on the car, and we should be exporting power with just a simple key on session. You can see here on the Hyundai Ioniq, which is what's being tested on, where the contactors closed and the charge session initiated. It takes few seconds for this to get the charge session going. So now you're seeing the charge slowly ramp up from 10, and it's going up. We're at 15 now, 15 kilowatts. We're ramping up. Doing about 30 kilowatts of power. The system can today handle up to 40 kilowatt charging speeds using the CCS plug, DC vehicle to vehicle charging, and this is currently in deployment phase.